so many, the Airbnb model, the Uber model, all these different successful ideas that really don't own anything. Like they're made out of a concept of using what's already available and having people work for commission or earn commission, not paying out salaries and wages and all that. Because people make money on Airbnb. It's not like Airbnb's paying you a salary. It's like you gotta rent it out and do the legwork. You got to get in your car and drive people around, and then you make money by doing that. And that's why it's successful. So it's the same concept. It's like, well, how do we eliminate the middleman and go direct to the consumer? And the business owners are going to start, figuring that out. And the majority of people are wage earners. So they're going to get crushed. They already are getting crushed. So I'm having less and less confidence in putting. A lot of people love their 401k and the stocks and the real estate. Like, it's cool and all, but what happens when that interest rate ticks up and you lose your job and you need to sell that $500,000 house? Well, your buyer pool is gone. So when you have high interest rates, you have lower real estate prices, right? They work inversely. So that $500,000 house, less people are going to be able to qualify it because it's doubled the payment from 2 to 4. Now,
and it's gone down in value.
So that's how you start getting the foreclosures again. And we're stupid, right? Like, people are stupid. History repeats itself. We don't learn from our mistakes. Like, our attention span and our memory is at best like 8 years. I mean, we've been in economic expansion for 12, 13 years. It's like, I heard the analogy, it's like the bodybuilder that keeps putting, more steroids, more growth, more all this stuff in their body for 12, 13, 14 years. What's going to happen eventually? The body's going to break down. It's going to get sick. It's going to get tired. You're going to develop bitch tits, and, your muscle's gone. Like, that's what happens, right? You can't keep pumping yourself full of chemicals. Yeah. And you're just going to it's going to be bad, right? So things will collapse. I hate to say that, but the dollar will collapse. It's all of the reasons, all of the other countries, all of the higher ups, the superpowers, they're banking on that. This is a game.